Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Samsung Rewards credit cards, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Samsung Rewards credit card, first, ensure you have your Samsung device ready. Begin by opening the Samsung Pay app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign in with your Samsung account credentials. Once you're logged in, tap on the Rewards tab located at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the option to add your credit card. Select Add Credit or Debit Card, which will prompt you to enter your card details. Input your card number, expiration date, and security code as requested. After entering the details, review them for accuracy. Press Next to proceed with the authentication process. At this point, you may receive a text or email for verification. Access the verification code and enter it into the designated field in the app. Once you've submitted the code, your Samsung Rewards credit card will undergo verification. If the details are correct, you'll see a confirmation message that your card has been added successfully. After verification, explore the rewards section to track your points and redeem offers. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of your Samsung Rewards credit card. If any issues arise during the process, consult the Samsung support page for additional assistance. Make sure to keep your app updated for the best user experience. That concludes the authentication process for your Samsung Rewards credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.